Hello, doctor. I'm really glad I could see you today. I've got this problem, and I don't know what to do. I think I'm addicted to games.
Hello there, it's good that you reached out. I'm here to help. Tell me more about what's been going on.
Well, it's like I can't stop playing games, especially at night. I know I should be sleeping, but I just can't help myself. And it's not just that, even when I do sleep, I dream about the games. It's like they're taking over my life.
I see. It sounds like this gaming habit is affecting your sleep and your daily life. Let's work together to find a solution. Can you tell me how long you've been experiencing this?
It's been going on for a few months now. At first, it was just for fun, but now I can't seem to stop. And it's ruining everything, my sleep, my studies, and even my social life.
It's great that you recognize the issue and want to address it. Let's start by understanding why you feel the need to play games late at night. Is there something specific that triggers this behavior?
I think part of it is the excitement of the games. They're so immersive, and I lose track of time. And also, it's become a sort of escape for me, from stress and problems.
It's common for games to provide an escape, but we need to find healthier ways for you to cope with stress. Have you tried setting any limits for yourself when it comes to gaming?
I've tried, but it's like I have no self-control. Once I start playing, I always tell myself, I'll play for just a little while, but it turns into hours.
That lack of self-control is something we can work on. Let's start by creating a schedule that includes designated gaming time. Gradually reduce the time you spend playing at night and allocate it to other activities, like studying or relaxing before bedtime.
That sounds like a good idea. But what about the dreams? I can't control those.
Dreams related to gaming are common when it's such a big part of your life. As you cut down on late-night gaming, these dreams should become less frequent. In the meantime, try some relaxation techniques before sleep to ease your mind.
Alright, I'll give it a shot. But what if I feel the urge to play late at night?
When you feel that urge, try to distract yourself with something else. You could read a book, listen to calming music, or even practice deep breathing exercises. Over time, your mind will adjust to this new routine.
I'll definitely try that. But what about my studies? I've been falling behind.
To improve your concentration on studies, break your study sessions into shorter, focused blocks of time. During these blocks, eliminate all distractions, including your gaming console and phone. Reward yourself with a short gaming session after completing your study goals.
That sounds like a reasonable plan. I do need to catch up on my studies. Thanks, doctor. This is really helping.
You're welcome. Remember, breaking any habit takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who can encourage you along the way.
I will, doctor. I'm determined to make these changes for the better.
That's the spirit. I believe in your ability to overcome this gaming addiction and regain control of your life. If you ever find it too challenging or need more guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to me.
Thank you, doctor. I'll keep you updated on my progress, and I'm looking forward to a life with healthier habits.
I'm here whenever you need assistance. Take it one step at a time, and you'll get there. Good luck.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.